Garagana, Hanjin Kanba, Hanjin Taba, I see Pasasi Piragadi, I see phones in Legadi, I see Garisim Tauragadi, I see Nupism Koragadi, I get relationships and white pray. If I get this, if I get that, etc. etc. I am sigur related or the video see Lloydbo Yang Minagisi. Harauba or Nuaiba equals happiness, Manipur dictionary. Now the question is, how long do you last? I mean, how long did that happiness last? True happiness service, Nangi Diana, Agi Diana, Mipumkudimaki Diana, the Yawago. Sankrava life, Tengrabangaki, Nuaiba, do not about true happiness that lasts longer than your, trust me, it will last. Happiness service, a happy or a gay haragasu, ya debago, chemistry, chemical hormones, Nana, Obayavasi no haragadi, Karigumakara filter togadi. It might come back to you naturally. Bro, if filter a revocation, X sometimes I see over the comeback to poetry. Bro, single happy or the share or rethinking, relearning true happiness. What is stopping you to know your true happiness? Nana matam chupada mirai regala abanagi amang asoina thalaba birendo sangto poma dakar taibko. Aling asagi example do the proof of salasibko. Nangi asagi fajaba gari, fajaba phone, fajaba nupi diaudiko. Those are tangible goods. Tangible goods are that are physical in nature, and things that are physical in nature can change its state from one form to another. In hypnotic classes ki science yawani. Adudi nasagi nangi fajaba iPhone, fajaba gari do. Kai ki biyai, mang ki biyai. Matam duda nangi happiness su kai gadra, mang ki gadra. Internalize your happiness. Video sigi quite important point never. Adna kitang stress sa kasi point simdi. I wish I knew this when I was entering my adulthood ko. Ako na kanom achieve to ba exam da mark phangba or any kind of materialistic possession me am say true happiness not teba. Yes, I admit that it makes you happy for a short period of time, but it's not a true happiness. True happiness sabi say mapan dagi lapo po to true happiness na teba. True happiness ti manung dagi tholak ka daw po ne. So I repeat once again, nanga gi khaktang marta lege da wari do the third party am yausalawa. Then my friend, you are abstaining yourself from knowing what is true happiness. Hojikti si khangabadina ngaktang amuk side ta thamgra sebuko. Happy oinabako, happy oizana nang effort kharadi thada batai. Effort thada dragadi si birenje over smart sabni. You can't just simply ka kaiden khangdaba randomly mapandagi lakpo pot myam duna nangi happiness ohen gadrana o heloi banatra. Sima yam yengba reality show yam yengba comedy show yam yengba mi singse moi happiness to khatang observe to yengo haibani ko judge to haibana teba. My happiness is screen dagi live. Happiness is screen dagi wine cannot consume to revo. Although see the carry show get hair candadico. Happiness service screen dagi low target momentary organi. Screen do off the womatum the go. Real life from the lack of matum that nangi happiness flat at canivo. See kai the gilai no higher gadico. On daily basis of Kugi Bidian Manum to the information to me. I'm absolutely social media platform Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube say. See the absolutely say the happiness service emotion amanimiko. Emotion at all am labor. And then absolutely information to the it can be sadness, depression mixed up with other emotions go. Ada aina mayam da hajaning isi kaino haragadi screen time kitang handa view screen time handaba natraga go khoi wakhan ji go khoi brain ji go by the time you shut your screen, by the time you off your screen go social media ne fake o su mayam yawi ni asing mayam yawi fake o su mayam yawi da defect na teo virtual life ka real life ka yam khena mayam lay go si yam khanjan view no ha tar social media is a fake mayam yawi setup plot mayam yawi Mam video si lo jikan da no viewer yaw gadi subscribe ko to biram wai anu fa fa content nam pukhalake ai haudangai ai jam hai bisunati experience sunati YouTube si kaino su khangdre ko ai ka video ka ba share ma ga ai khangjaba no su mayam da share to buni yam amateur na hatare duna subscribe to biram mayam da ning sa haijagi ba filter to bagi ha do adu di kem na te ko akhoi brain ji da already preset ma sam tang to one preset ma sam to preset ma sa se tawragadi kai kanani amsung kawain to kai to gani haragadi ko mapandagi lak happiness mapandagi importer of happiness nangi happiness na tese si already nangi mind nangi preset ta hapio adu oiga taragadi but the next time when happiness comes to you from an external source nangi brain automatically detect to gani kai detect to gani haragadi this is not my happiness mapandagi lak pa importer of happiness ko dopamine hit to gani ko dopamine haragadi Maiba doctors haradi Saina kana sadiba. Dopamine have a happy hormone addiction like addictive way that oneness more and more have the lack of By nature, men are habitual being. Aduna nangi ngasagi preset ngasagi filter ngasagi barrier do. Nangi chipset sila install to gimatamda differentiate tawganiba turu happiness ni haki oba happiness differentiate sum tawragadi clear oba helakani clear oba helagadi nangi nunga laiba nangi internal oba turu happiness to mapan tholakaniba mapan thola agadi hena mature agadi your girlfriend or your wife might thank me. Thank you.